Hello guys, Mahua back in with another new video, and previously I have talked on this topic like mesh gradients, where to get it, like how to get it, different kind of method, maybe a Figma plugin also. But what I have never talked about is SVG plug SVG mesh gradients. Okay, now this is not some kind of a plugin. This is a website from where you can get it, but there is a little bit of difficulty while getting it into your Figma file. We'll discuss everything. Let's see what we have today. Okay. So here is our today's side. That is obviously meshed up. That is kind of a perfect name for a mesh gradient website. Now here you can see different type of mesh gradients are over here, like multicolored, blue, pink, blah blah blah, whatever color, and you can click on it to copy it. But here's the thing, you can click on it to copy it as SVG, but when you paste it on Figma, it comes in 1:1 square. That is obviously not great for work. And second is, when you expand it, it doesn't create the gradient, like mesh gradient fill, because it doesn't have the blur. Okay, so you have to blur it yourself, adjust a lot of things. And now as you are seeing, those mesh gradients are really transparent. Okay, so as they are transparent, you have to increase their opacity as well, make it a normal rather than any other blending mode. So there's going to be lots of hassle when you want to like import it in Figma. Rather than that, I would say, get their Figma plugin in the Figma file instead. Okay, here is their Figma file that you can see over here. Here they have everything as well. Okay, so here we have our multi-cutter gradients, purple gradients, pink, red, whatever. Okay, and the most important thing about this is you already get the blurred version, like a properly blurred version. Okay, and rather than that, on top of that, you just like need to increase the opacity of it in order to like have a solid kind of background rather than this transparent thingy. Okay, so wait, now I am copying it to duplicating it to my thing. And here it is. As you can see those gradient lines, like those shape and forms. Okay, so they were like this, but if you copy it from here, like let me just copy one of them from here. Okay, if I copy it from here and suppose try to paste it here, see that little thing is this mesh gradient 1:1. And if I make it big, make it very big, where it is at least visible, you can see those are all hard edges, those are not actual gradients. Okay, so what you can do for that is you can apply layer blur in every one of them, maybe 100, maybe 200. 100 will not also serve the purpose. 200, then you can get the similar kind of look and feel, but no, still not the same, because you can see those black lines, like little black lines over here, because when you do blur, it is not totally mixed into it. Okay, so that's a problem over here. So that's why I would suggest you directly copy it from here, like take it from here. And another thing you will see while copying it, wait, suppose I am in it. Mhm. Yeah, see, the pass through value is 50, so make it 100 while using it into other designs, as this is a kind of a transparent looking gradients. I don't know why they have taken this design decision. Maybe something was there, but they have made it like this. Okay, so this is something to keep in mind while copying it into other platforms, like other projects. Okay, so that is the thing. Rather than that, yes, this is easy to use. There are lots of variants of meshes actually that you can use. There are a lot of colors, like pink gradients are really really great, as you can see. Like this one is really great, this one. Okay, so there are a lot of gradients as well. Okay, so yeah, that's it about this whole site. That's it about this. You can use it easily. Now another thing I would like to say you, that is, if you click on this like home, it will give you a 404 error. I don't know why it is not matched up correctly. Though I think they are using Next.js, isn't they? Okay, they are using Alpine. They are using Alpine. Okay, I don't know why it is not correctly set it up, but it is what it is. Okay, and sorry for yawning. I don't know why I yawn every day. Whatever. So that's it for this video. Let me know where you gonna use it, because yeah, this can be used in many different type of projects, maybe in landing pages, maybe somewhere else. The most irritating thing about having gradients like this, that they have hard edges, and sometimes you have to blend in into a whole kind of new background and all, where you don't need edges. So in that portion it get a little difficult to blend in all of those, but okay, it's okay. Like, it's, to be honest, it's workable. You can find a way around this, right? So yeah, that's it about this video. That's it about this platform. If you like my videos in general, please do subscribe to this channel. And if you know about some of the great platforms where I can find some of the great resources like this, please let me know about all of them in the comment section below, so I can feature them in my future videos as well. So bye for now.